California health leaders say 2 million doses of vaccines have been distributed to the most vulnerable parts of the state. Now that triggers some rule changes for the state's blueprint that go into effect this weekend for some counties. 17's Ashley Zavala is in our Sacramento bureau tonight to explain the latest on California's vaccine effort.
California is making good strides.
Between Sunday and Tuesday, 26 California counties are expected to move from the most restrictive purple tier in the state's color-coded reopening system into the less restrictive red tier. State Health and Human Services Secretary Dr. Mark Galley Friday confirmed a trigger in rule changes for the red tier after 2 million shots of the vaccine were successfully distributed to those living in the most vulnerable parts of the state.
Making sure that our first line of protection is going to those places that have shouldered the greatest burden.
Meeting the milestone means the red tier expands to allow counties with daily case counts up to 10 per 100,000 people. Restaurants, gyms, and other businesses can bring operations indoors with limited capacity.
We think that it should still be done cautiously, that we still have to keep our guard up.
Dr. Galley says ongoing vaccinations will help. He said as of Friday, about 7.5 million Californians have received at least one dose of the vaccine. In the next 2 weeks, the federal government is sending California more than 3.5 million doses. The state's top health official says California is preparing to meet the president's directive to make all American adults eligible for the vaccine May 1st, so long as there's more supply.
We are laser focused on being prepared for that day.
The next milestone for the state will be reaching the 4 million doses distributed in those vulnerable communities. State leaders say once that happens, the rules will change for the least restrictive orange and yellow tiers. Reporting in Sacramento, Ashley Zavala, 17 News.